Hi there, this is Akshay Shremankar, CEO and founder of SHAY CPA. And today I wanted to announce that our firm, SHAY CPA, is officially supporting InterPrime Advisors with their standard investment policy for startups. Now, what does this mean? Many startups that raise capital from venture capital sources or from angel investors, they generally, just keep the money in the bank account, whether they're using Silicon Valley Bank or whether they're using Chase or Bank of America, etc. And although this is all well and good, when you are in custody of a large amount of funds, you have to be a good steward of that money. And Interprime, which is a Y Combinator backed company, are advisors in helping startups sort of manage that money. And they've come up with this investment policy that helps founders understand, okay, now that you've raised your round of funding, what can you do with that funding besides just cover your month-to-month operating expenses? Are there ways that you can invest that money, have it earning interest, have it invested either whether it's marketable securities or in safe securities like treasury bonds, etc. So I really like this investment policy that Interprime has come up with because it can become a part of a startup's financial policies and procedures guide, right? So if you're a CFO of an early stage startup that may be at Series A or Series B stage, some of the the objectives that are sort of listed out in this guide can become part of the financial policies and procedures. And one little known thing with holding on to such a large amount of cash is that there's only so much that the FDIC is going to insure money, right? So if you have money sitting in the bank and it's above the FDIC limit, then you're going to be essentially at risk, right? Although most banks are safe and they're not going to be going out of business tomorrow, a lot of tech companies do have funds in there, and these accounts are way above those sort of limits that are have been set. So so I would definitely just recommend founders to take a look at this, think about ways that they could potentially invest some of that money into other assets, and maybe just even have a conversation with the folks at Interprime about what they do and see if they can potentially help. That was just a quick video. I just wanted to do just announcing our support of their standard investment policy. Thanks, everyone.